Hi, I'm Al Krakowski and I'm an artist. Today I'm going to show you how to draw an airplane. For an airplane, we're going to start at the back. We're going to draw a long, curved line all the way to the front of the airplane. I'm going to dip down and curve back around. Start back here, do the same thing, curved line, and then connect at the nose. And right up here we can draw the window where the pilots sit. Then we're going to draw the first wing. Start with that and draw a line down here and on this side. Connect them at the end. Draw an oval for the engine. And then do the same thing for this side, but make it shorter. Just like that, there's the engine. And you want to draw the tail. It's a triangle with a flat top. And then for the sides, similar to the wings but smaller. And then small circles for the windows where the passengers sit. And that is how you draw an airplane. Thank you for watching and keep on drawing.